Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. And I'm kind of like looking at this going, oh, how do I choose to show first? I'm going to show you this one because it looks like nothing. So I have to find like it die cut right. Because look, woohoo, new, what? Right? I know, it's words. And it is almost a card front, which is really fun. Perfect for our beach themed stuff that we just came out with. Relax and enjoy the sunny days ahead. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Perfect for backgrounds because look, it takes up a whole lot of enchilada, right? A whole lot of space. Next, we have, I'll show you this one. I couldn't wait to to release this one. I designed it so long ago. It's like, finally I get to share it with you. It is called Hang in There because it's a monkey hanging on. Check it out. So look at this cute little guy. He's holding a little banana. There's an extra banana stamp there. It says, I'm bananas about you. I miss hanging with you and hang in there. Now, yes, of course, my friends, you know me. Of course, there are dies that match. And yes, you're getting the inside dies as well. So you're going to be able to use the shadow, no shadow. The choice is yours, right? On flash sale, the first 24 hours, they're on my website or until sold out. Last but not least, let's get serious here. Last but not least is a stamp set. I came out with a stamp set that was called, let me make sure I get this right, Family Forever. And I had on there like sister, brother, mom, dad, and apparently I missed a lot. I thought I had everybody covered. Yeah, I didn't have anybody covered. So this set is going to go with that set. But wait, there's more because there are more coming, different things. Everybody loves this font. Everybody loves this size. And we got so many requests for, well, I want this, I want this, I want this. You guys, we listen. We listen. All of this set was born because of all of you, which is good, right? Because we listen to you. So here we go. Now we have mother, wife, father, husband, hubby, grandmother, Amma, gramps, pops, pappy, poppy, Grammy, great grand, so great grandmother, great grand, or we have great grandfather, Grammy, God. So like if you wanted to say your godmother or your godfather. Awesome, right? Step, so people wanted the steps, like stepsister or step niece, nephew, fur baby, because the other one says baby, so this one says fur for your fur babies. Cousin, sibling, bestie, friend, baby, someone special, I threw those in, babe, and chosen family. I did good, right? I did good. 99% of these came from you guys. Now, I have samples to share with you. I was so excited about add-on words. Here we go. I can't believe I forgot. I'm sorry. Here we go. I miss hanging with you. Are you kidding? Is that adorable? Hang in there. You can put him in different directions, right? He doesn't have to go one way. He can be different ways, right? He can be hanging different ways. Ooh, whoa, Sheila, rock my world. Black on rainbow paper. Die cut and done. Die cut, glue, and done. Easy peasy, right? Oh, wow, look at this one. Relax and enjoy the sunny days ahead. Ooh, look at this one. Look how fun this one is. This is a happy summer. I love that. This is Create a Scene A2 card die set. Folds flat for mailing, but look at how cute that is. And yes, it does stand for display. Ooh, use those stamps for a card that says bestie, wife, grandma, Grammy, every name on there, right? Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at this. Have a great retirement. And I have a feeling that's holidays forever. That is a sneak peek. I threw it over there because that's future stuff. That was a sneak peek. Here we go. Is this one a sneak peek? Let's check because Stephanie sometimes messes up. Nope, this is it. To the best, wife, mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, we love you. I need to give that one to my mom. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one with that 5x7 background. Relax and enjoy sunny days ahead. Die cut, glue, done. Die cut, glue, done. Easy peasy, right? Okay. What in the world? Can you just say adorable? Look at that. I love this. This is using the leaf background, piecing it together. I absolutely love that. Oh, so sweet. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? 5x7, flip it. Are you ready? Check this out. What? He fits perfect on there. Isn't that adorable? I love it. He is fitting perfect on there. And last but not least, look at the different ways the team did the monkey. So here the branch is going horizontal. Here it's going up. Look at how cute that is. That's the same stamp, you guys. That's the same monkey stamp, but just turned a different way. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Now, don't say something's missing. There are 1, 2, 3 more sets coming soon to a theater near you. Actually, there's 4. But yeah, more of this font, more of this size. And we listen, just saying. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. Guess what, my friends? They are on flash sales. So I'm hoping you're getting them ASAP because who doesn't love a sale, right? But if you're a club member, the best part about our website is if you're a club member, you're getting a sale every single day. Every single day you come to my website, you're getting 15 to 20% off. Every day. Every order. Every item. Well, does that include the new fabric boxes? Yes. Does that include cardstock? Yes. Does that include brushes? It's everything. No asterisks involved. Everything is included. So club members, you get 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. It's awesome, right? You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month. And the best part, that's not a membership fee where you get nothing. Because yes, you get a 15% discount if you're in the stamp club. Yes, you earn club points on every shipment. Yes, every couple months we send out freebies. And if you stay in a full year, your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. But for that $13.99 a month and the discount alone on the website, some websites will charge you that much just to get a discount, right? No. You also get a 4x6 stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Brand new. I design new ones every month, and it's always very versatile in theme. Go to our website, check out, join the club, just watch that video. It explains everything. $13.99 a month, what is that, like a coffee at Starbucks? It's worth it. Go check it out, stampsalife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.